The manipulator in BricsCAD Sketch is a visual tool that rotates, moves, or mirrors solid elements around or along a single axis. Press and hold the Control key, move the cursor to the element of choice, and left-click. By holding down the left mouse button slightly longer, the manipulator should appear. Move the cursor onto one of the 3 manipulator arcs and left-click to rotate your solid. Move the cursor onto one of the 3 manipulator access shafts and left-click for a constrained move along that axis. To move your selection in 2D, constrain to a plane. Left-click one of the manipulator's 3 white plane indicators. To mirror your selected solid, left-click one of the blue axis arrows. Precise manipulation is always available through the manipulator's dynamic dimensions. You can rotate and relocate the manipulator on the selected solid by left-clicking on the white orientation dots.